We'll get back to the surrogates for the Hillary Clinton, Barack Obama, and John Edwards campaign in a moment. But first, we want to update you on what's happening with Hurricane Dean. Reynolds Wolf once again joining us from the CNN Hurricane headquarters. He's watching the path of this storm. What's the latest information, Reynolds?
The latest we have with this immense storm is that it remains a Category 4 storm. Winds right now sustained at 145 miles an hour. Some gusts, though, Wolf, have been up to 180. The storm center is about 128 miles just from Kingston, Jamaica. Storm expected to pass just to the south of the island. The eye coming fairly close to the southern shore and should do so around the 4 or 5 o'clock hour. However, even though it's going to remain to the south, it's still going to bring quite a bit of rainfall, possibly 20 inches of rainfall in the highest elevations, anywhere else from, say, 5 to 10 inches of rain for the southern shore. Still, the storm will surge its way to the west by 8 a.m. Monday, still a Category 4, strengthening to a Category 5 at 8 p.m. Monday, and then crossing into the Yucatan Peninsula by 8 a.m. Tuesday. That path continues onward into southern Mexico, just near Tampico by 8 a.m. Wednesday. Winds are around 115 miles per hour. Wolf,
so it slows down after it goes over the Yucatan. Those hotels at Cancun, which a lot of Americans certainly are familiar with, are they being evacuated right now? What do we know?
That's a great question. I haven't heard of any widespread evacuations just yet, but you're absolutely right. Cancun has had a long history of these kind of tropical systems roaring through that part of the world. I mean, the Yucatan Peninsula sits up like a giant thumb. It's good in one sense that it helps slow these storms down, but terrible for those communities right along the eastern shores of that peninsula. Certainly a rough time for Cancun, and I would expect, Wolf, from Monday evening and especially into early Tuesday, you're going to see conditions deteriorate there and do so at a very quick pace, possibly the storm making landfall near Cancun as a Category 5 storm.
That's the largest, the most massive of those storms, of the categories. Thanks very much, Reynolds.
Yes, sir.
Don't go away. We're going to be checking back with you throughout late edition. Up next, though, we're going to go back